Currently in our area, 51 degrees under cloudy skies. Today, cloudy, high 53, winds light and variable. Tonight, cloudy, areas of patchy fog, low 44, winds light and variable. Sunday, cloudy early with partial sunshine in the afternoon, high 66, winds light and variable. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Next 7 days of weather and into Monday as well with
for the latest winter storm update. Here's how the storm is progressing and what to expect in your area. Stay tuned to the Weather Channel for the most up-to-date information.